Nick Fratto here for GriffinAthletics.com, here at Coach Pruitt for women's basketball team. Coach, tough loss tonight, 78-68. What did you tell your team at halftime to stop one of the players for Wilmington, who had 20 in the first half, but was stopped to only 6 in the second half?
I mean, at halftime, they definitely made us make some adjustments. Tanisha Mobley is our defensive stopper. She takes great pride in that, and she wanted the job. So, you know, it was totally on Tanisha. She stepped up, and she really shut that kid down. You know, we were right there. I mean, this one's going to hurt, probably, at least until turkey is served on Thanksgiving. But you know, we have a couple of days here to regroup, and then we have a really big stretch of 4 games on the road coming up. So we have to, you know, just keep trying to get better. But the effort was like unbelievable. But when you play games like this and you're constantly tying, or you're right there and you never take the lead, just emotionally and mentally, that just takes its toll. And unfortunately, even if it was only a point, we just couldn't take the lead. So, you know, credit to Wilmington, they hung in there and they didn't, you know, kind of capitulate under the pressure that I thought we did a really good job with.
Yeah, your team did a really good job and a really good effort, particularly from Olivia Gosinski with 27 points tonight. What did you have to say to her after this game?
I mean, poor Liv, she's going to need a whole ice bath after this. She left it all on the floor, you know, as did Tanisha, as did several of the young ladies on the team. But, you know, I want to sit here and say I'm not surprised. I mean, Olivia, she's in the gym every day, getting better. Every day in practice, she's working her tush off. And I'm delighted for her to see the results. I mean, obviously, I think she would be the first young lady to say, I'd rather not score 27 and get the win. But, you know, at this point, even though it hurts, you know, small victories like that for Tanisha, shutting down Spence and Liv knocking down shots, you know, they should feel good about themselves for that.
Now your team falls to 0-4. What does your team need to do to change to be able to get the win on Monday?
Yeah, I don't think we have to change, really. You know, we're not going back to the drawing board. You know, the team that showed up today, as a coaching staff, we can do something with that team because you're not coaching effort. And we were right there. It's just we need a little more productivity out of the young ladies who are coming off the bench, because, you know, Nish and Shea Money and Annie and those guys, they're just playing kind of too many minutes, and then down the stretch we're making you know, mistakes that are just caused from fatigue. So you know, we definitely talked about that at the end of the game, and just keep getting better. I mean, I'm really a very proud coach, because there aren't a lot of teams who could start the season the way we did, 0-3. Not only 0-3, but we took some beatings, and to come out and play like this, I mean, these young ladies are teaching the coaching staff more in the last 2 weeks about character and resilience than I think we've taught them. So we're going to be fine, so long as the young ladies stick together, so long as they believe in each other. We're going to be fine. It's just a couple of one too many errors at kind of the wrong time in the game, and part of that is youth. I mean, I know it's probably not happening fast enough for the fans, but you know, we have 5 freshmen on our team. You know, Shayla, even though she's a junior on the floor, in the classroom, she's only a sophomore on the floor. Annie is a senior in the classroom, she's only a junior on the floor. I mean, we have a very young basketball team. So, you know, these are the bumps and bruises that come along with, you know, teaching them how to play the game. So, but I'm really proud of them. I mean, of course I want the win. Nothing better than that feeling, but I'm a super proud coach.
Coach, thank you for your time. Have a great Thanksgiving. This is Nick Fratto signing off for GriffinAthletics.com. Have a great weekend.